Ever wished you could maintain perfect eye contact with your audience, even when you're reading notes or glancing at a second monitor? Today, I'm showing you how to achieve that with Nvidia Broadcast's incredible eye contact feature. This AI-powered setting subtly adjusts your gaze, making it appear as though you're always looking directly at your viewers, creating a more engaging experience. First things first, make sure you've downloaded and installed Nvidia Broadcast. Open the software, and you'll see a few sections, but our focus is on the camera section. In the camera section, locate the eye contact feature. You'll see a toggle switch. By default, it's likely turned off. Click that switch to turn it on. Within a few seconds you should see the changes in your preview. As you'll see, I've already turned it on so you can see the difference. You may have to play around with this effect a bit to find what you think looks best. You can experiment with different levels of correction, find the settings that feel natural to you, and remember, a little goes a long way. See the difference looking ever so slightly off camera versus right at the camera? It's the difference between looking directly at your audience and a bit above them. You can also use this effect in many video conferencing applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and OBS Studio. For video conferencing, select Nvidia Broadcast Camera as your camera source in your software settings. With Nvidia Broadcast Eye Contact, you can effortlessly elevate your streams and video calls, appearing more professional and connected to your audience. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.